Keynote on iPad is the most powerful presentation application ever made for a mobile device. Built from the ground up just for iPad, it makes it easy to create incredible presentations with photos, charts, and amazing animations, all with just the touch of a finger. Just tap Keynote to get started. Because slides are horizontal, Keynote works in landscape mode. If you've already created a document, you'll find it in the Document Manager. It shows you all of your presentations with a large preview, so you can quickly find the one you want. You can choose an Apple design theme for a new presentation, or open one that you're working on. You can also bring in presentations from your Mac, and even from PowerPoint. When you open your presentation, the slide navigator to the left gives you access to all the slides in your deck. Just flick to see them all. The large multi-touch display on iPad gives you a great view of the slide you're working on. If you want to change the order, touch and hold a slide, then drag it to a new spot. Thanks to the power of multi-touch, you can even move multiple slides at once. Just hold one, and then tap on any others to add them to the group. Then drop them all exactly where you want them. To add a new slide, just tap here. Then choose a template from any of the master slides. They already include space for text, bullets, and images. Tap here and start typing, and Keynote formats everything automatically. Adding photos and video is simple, because everything in the Photos app is right at your fingertips. To add a photo to a slide, just tap on it. You just drag to position it, and guides pop up to help you line it up perfectly. Then just drag a corner to get the right size. If you want to match the size of another image, just touch it while you're resizing the first image. Keynote instantly matches its size. If you want to focus on a specific part of the photo, just double tap it and use the slider to zoom in. Then just drag to move the photo around. You can also rotate photos by twisting. You can style them with picture frames, shadows, and reflections. And you have control over the border of your photo, the angle of the shadow, the reflection, even the opacity. With the beautiful animations in Keynote, you can animate type, charts, graphs, and photos with a touch. Use Build In to add animations that bring your object onto the slide, or use Build Out to move your objects off the slide. Simply choose an animation from here and you'll see a live preview right on the slide. That way you can try out different ideas on the fly. Adding transitions between slides is simple too. Just tap to select from many animations like Cube, Doorway, and Twist. And Keynote on iPad includes advanced animation features like Magic Move. It lets you build sophisticated transitions with just your fingers. Make a copy of the slide. Move the objects around wherever you'd like. Even change their size. And then Keynote automatically creates the animation between them. When you're ready to show off your presentation, you can do it right from the bright LED screen on iPad, or show it on a big screen by connecting to a TV or projector with the optional adapter. Then just tap to advance through your slides. When you're ready, you can send your work via email, upload it to iWork.com so anyone on a Mac or PC can view it, or easily export it as a Keynote or PDF file so you can use it on your computer. You can buy Keynote from the App Store. With Keynote, you've got everything you need to create exciting, animated presentations that'll make a powerful impression.
Pages on iPad is the most beautiful word processor ever designed for a mobile device. It takes advantage of the large iPad display and the precision of multi-touch to put the power to create great-looking newsletters, reports, flyers, and other documents right at your fingertips. With Pages, it's easy to dive right in and start writing. There are 16 Apple design templates to help you begin. When you create a new document, the on-screen keyboard pops up automatically. Text looks crisp and bright on the vivid LED backlit display. When you rotate iPad, your page fills the screen. And since the keyboard is nearly as big as a notebook keyboard, typing is fast and comfortable. Pages tracks what you type, so it can suggest words, correct spelling, and insert punctuation for you automatically as you go. And it'll even detect when you're creating a list, and then format it for you without interrupting your work. A built-in dictionary is always at hand, so you can look up a word at any time with just a couple taps. In Pages, you'll find all your documents in the Document Manager. You can access any you've imported from Mail, or downloaded from the web including iWork.com, even import documents from Microsoft Word. Open a document and you'll see that Pages is much more than a basic word processor. You've got lots of formatting options. Select new styles to instantly update the look of different parts of your document and change text formats and alignment. And for even more control, use the text options to adjust size, color, and try out different fonts. You can use the Page Navigator to jump anywhere in your document right away. As you skim through, the loop shows thumbnails of each page, so you can quickly find exactly the spot that you're looking for. By using the advanced layout tools, it's simple to set multiple columns and line spacing using just your fingers and see the changes instantly. You can adjust the design of your document just by touching. Rotate a graphic or resize it, drag an image, and your text automatically wraps around it. And you can even choose how you want the text to flow and refine the extra space for the perfect look. Pages also lets you add frames, shadows, and reflections to your images with just a couple taps. Or tap here, and you can choose from even more borders and effects. With control over every detail. And setting up margins or adding headers and footers for your entire document is fast and easy. Just drag to make any adjustments so your document looks just the way you like. If you've got lots of typing to do, you can use the optional iPad keyboard dock, which lets you charge while you work, or an Apple Bluetooth wireless keyboard. When you're ready, you can share your work via mail or via a password-protected website at iWork.com. Or easily export it as a Pages, PDF, or Word file so you can use it on your computer. You can buy Pages from the App Store. With Pages on iPad, you'll love being able to write anywhere and create beautiful documents wherever you go.
Numbers is the most innovative and powerful spreadsheet app ever designed for a mobile device. It makes it easy to work with tables, charts, formulas, photos, and graphics on a flexible canvas that you control just by touching. Tap Numbers to get started. You'll find 16 Apple design templates that are perfect for whatever kind of project you're working on. You can also import any spreadsheet created with Numbers on your Mac or with Microsoft Excel on a Mac or PC. In Numbers, you can have multiple sheets within a single spreadsheet and navigate them using tabs. Just touch any of the tabs to switch between them. To enter data, just double-tap a cell. The intelligent on-screen keyboard is so smart it knows just the type of data you're entering and displays exactly the key layout you need, whether it's digits, duration, date and time, or text. There's even a keyboard designed just for entering formulas. Easily select and move columns with your finger and drop them right where you want them. Your chart updates automatically as you organize your data. You can add rows and columns to your table to enter additional data or calculations. Numbers has a powerful calculation engine with over 250 functions built in, including engineering, financial, and statistical functions. All with clear, concise help, so you can create advanced formulas quickly. Sum an entire column with just a touch. Then tap Fill and drag to the right to quickly fill that formula across the entire table. Numbers includes 9 different types of charts, including bar, column, and pie. Choose from great-looking styles that match your template. Use the chart options to adjust the fonts, data labels, and formats just how you want them. And to emphasize part of your chart, just drag a wedge to pull it out. With iPad, it's simple to make your charts look great. iPad and numbers are perfect for entering data wherever you are. Set up a spreadsheet with the info you need and then use the built-in forms to edit it. As you make the changes you want to the form, your table updates automatically because it's all linked together. When you're ready, you can send your work via email, upload it to iWork.com so anyone on a Mac or PC can view it, or easily export it as a numbers or PDF file so you can use it on your computer. You can buy Numbers from the App Store. With Numbers on iPad, you've got the power to manage your data and create stunning reports right in your hands.